Hello, hope everyone's having a great day. The baby's sleeping. I better go outside. Alright, we sent that box out into orbit, circling the Earth at 17,000 miles an hour. Use my little friend here. But it dropped this. Recently I've been carrying the, what do they call it, Para 3. It's not the PM3, I guess. It's the Para 3. And fell down the Spidey hole. I'm gonna check another one out. Got this from White Mountain Knives. Crafted for life. Para Military 2 in teal. We got the tip down carry set up here. I'm gonna have to switch that around, I think. Very similar to this thing. A little bit longer. This guy's been pretty handy. I've enjoyed carrying it. Get a good grip on it. This handle's a little bit short. It's super handy little knife. There's a little comparison. Quite a bit more handle space on this guy. Let's try a first flick. Ooh, got it first time. Should try the thumb too. Oh, thumb flick and the other flick. This guy feels good. This one I had to break in for a few days, loosen it up. Oop. Right out of the box, we are smooth. Uh-oh. What we got? A bit more blade on here. Oh yeah. Get my whole hand gripped on this one. Very similar to the Para 3. I think I said it right that time. This teal one comes in. Can we see it? There it is, S90V. Spyderco. Golden, Colorado, USA Earth. Well, the finish on this looks different too. Got more of a satin finish. This guy's got more of a kind of a stone wash. Very smooth. Awesome finish. Just doing a little first look. I'll be carrying this around soon. Interesting color for handles there. It's a little bit lighter than what the camera's showing, I think. That's not bad. And action's awesome on this guy. Might be that little bit more blade, swinging it out better. Well, gotta go throw some wings on the barbecue. Hope everyone has a great day. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.